built this rollaway nesting box so that I could give these chicks this coop. When I went to put my chickens away last night, I couldn't find one of my leghorns. And that's because she's broody. See her puffing up? Who's a good broody girl, huh? I counted the eggs underneath of her. She has 10 eggs under her. So, in 3 weeks, we might have another 10 chicks. These. Where you guys at? Oh, you guys are over there. These 9 have spent 2 nights out here so far. These 9 are out here. And when I woke up this morning, I heard more peeps coming out of the incubator. So I don't think the incubator's done producing either. Currently hatched and alive 60 chickens. Of these 13, those 9. I have 10 layers and a rooster, and then these 27 Red Rangers over here in the tractors. Yeah, that's 60. Thought I was missing a leghorn, but nope. No, she just got broody on me and decided to stay in the coop. So, yeah, the chicks are going to have to stay over here probably until they're probably just going to have to stay here. They'll be fine with the other chicks. The other chicks, well, there's separation, and I'll just, I'll let them live in their separate areas. But the new chicks get a little bit bigger, and then I'll probably introduce them. They probably already know each other. They live right next door through a mesh. Put this here so that these chicks right here can't get to the baby chicks. It's gonna rain. And I put this, I mean, it doesn't go all the way up, but these baby chicks at this size can't jump over this. Or if they can't get past that fence. So, if one of these chicks jumps this fence and ends up getting hurt or something by the other chicks, no. It was just meant to be, I guess. All you can do is take precautions. Hey, Sketchy, how you doing this morning? Huh? You're mad? Yeah. Yeah. Tell your girls to start laying in this nest box, and then I'll let you out. Need to throw in some more greens for them, and I'm giving them an extra helping of food just because they're locked in here. They're normally free range. This one fully hatched. That makes 61. I want to thank you for watching. Ask that you subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out new videos.